Yep.
Oh, this is the video.
Yep.
Okay.
Yeah, like I said, it looked worse in the video.
Wait, what am I climbing right now? Right? Oh, yeah, there you go.
Lots of views, lots of views.
Thank you. Grab my hand. Just in case, just for security purposes.
Oh wow. Beautiful. No, it's a loop. Oh wow. Park down there. Really nice views.
Mother F.
If you're afraid of heights, this is not the hike for you.
Wait, you want to say that one more time?
No, this is definitely the toughest 0.3 miles I've climbed, and it's not even a mountain.
Ooh, wow, look at that.
Probably that lighthouse. Yep. Going off trail, seeing if I can find a little lookout. Oh wow. Awesome. Epic views. So you don't have to go 4,000 feet up to get epic views. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Oh wow. Alright, we'll continue. Only a 1 mile hike. We'll find another trail. Loop Road, Sand Beach. Okay.
Let's do it. Go to the beach.
The bowl. Point to that way. You want to see what the bowl is first? And then come back and go back down?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. Heading to the bowl.